질문 패턴 영어.
How much?
이거 얼마예요?
How much is this?
저거 얼마예요?
How much is that?
이것들 얼마예요?
How much are these?
저것들 얼마예요?
How much are those?
이거 얼마야?
How much is it?
이거 가격이 얼마예요?
How much does this cost?
저거 가격이 얼마예요?
How much does that cost?
총 얼마예요?
How much is the total?
전부 다 얼마예요?
How much is everything?
계산서 얼마 나왔어요?
How much is the bill?
이 커피 얼마예요?
How much is this coffee?
이 샌드위치 얼마예요?
How much is the sandwich?
여기 점심 얼마예요?
How much is lunch here?
세트 메뉴 얼마예요?
How much is the combo?
배달비 얼마예요?
How much is the delivery fee?
팁은 얼마예요?
How much is the tip?
제가 얼마 드리면 돼요?
How much do I owe you?
1인당 얼마예요?
How much per person?
2명이면 얼마예요?
How much for 2 people?
추가 비용 얼마예요?
How much extra is that?
버스 요금 얼마예요?
How much is the bus fare?
지하철 표 얼마예요?
How much is the subway ticket?
택시 타면 얼마쯤 나와요?
How much is a taxi ride?
주차비 얼마예요?
How much does parking cost?
지금 기름값 얼마예요?
How much is gas right now?
통행료 얼마예요?
How much is the toll?
기차표 얼마예요?
How much is the train ticket?
우버 얼마 나와요?
How much is the Uber?
이동 비용 얼마예요?
How much for the ride?
렌트비 얼마예요?
How much is the rental?
이 셔츠 얼마예요?
How much is the shirt?
이 신발 얼마예요?
How much are the shoes?
할인 금액 얼마예요?
How much is the discount?
얼마 깎아줘요?
How much off is it?
세금 포함하면 얼마예요?
How much is it after tax?
배송비 얼마예요?
How much is shipping?
서비스 요금 얼마예요?
How much is the service fee?
수리비 얼마예요?
How much is the repair?
보통 얼마 들어요?
How much does it usually cost?
업그레이드 하면 얼마예요?
How much is the upgrade?
너 돈 얼마나 있어?
How much money do you have?
현금 얼마 필요해?
How much cash do you need?
내가 얼마 내면 돼?
How much should I pay?
얼마까지 써도 돼?
How much can I spend?
너 얼마 주고 샀어?
How much did you pay?
얼마 청구하는 거야?
How much are you charging?
얼마 원하는데?
How much do you want?
내가 얼마 빚졌어?
How much do I owe?
결국 얼마 나왔어?
How much did it come out to?
얼마 남았어?
How much is left?
우리 시간 얼마나 있어?
How much time do we have?
얼마나 더 걸려?
How much longer?
물 얼마나 줄까?
How much water do you want?
음식 얼마나 남았어?
How much food is left?
할 일 얼마나 있어?
How much work is there?
이거 얼마나 힘들어?
How much effort does it take?
도움 얼마나 필요해?
How much help do you need?
공간 얼마나 있어?
How much space is there?
피해가 얼마나 있어?
How much damage is there?
너한테 부담이 얼마나 돼?
How much pressure is on you?
이거 얼마나 마음에 들어?
How much do you like it?
그녀를 얼마나 사랑해?
How much do you love her?
그를 얼마나 믿어?
How much do you trust him?
이게 얼마나 중요해?
How much does it matter?
너 이거 얼마나 신경 써?
How much do you care?
스트레스 얼마나 받고 있어?
How much stress are you under?
지금 통증이 얼마나 심해?
How much pain are you in?
노력 얼마나 했어?
How much effort did you put in?
이게 너한테 얼마나 영향을 줬어?
How much did it affect you?
너 얼마나 기억해?
How much do you remember?
오늘 일 얼마나 있어?
How much work do you have today?
경력 얼마나 있어?
How much experience do you have?
진도 얼마나 나갔어?
How much progress did you make?
시간 얼마나 걸렸어?
How much time did it take?
얼마나 미리 말해줘야 해?
How much notice do you need?
휴가 얼마나 있어?
How much vacation do you have?
책임이 얼마나 커?
How much responsibility is that?
교육 얼마나 필요해?
How much training is required?
급여 얼마야?
How much does it pay?
너 지금 얼마 벌어?
How much are you making?
어느 정도면 너무 과한 거야?
How much is too much?
어느 정도면 충분해.
How much is enough?
우리 얼마나 더 기다려야 해?
How much longer do we have to wait?
얼마 걸래?
How much do you want to bet?
우리 상황 얼마나 심각해?
How much trouble are we in?
이거 비용 얼마나 들어?
How much does it run?
금액이 어느 정도야?
How much are we talking about?
이게 얼마나 차이가 나?
How much difference does it make?
나한테서 얼마나 필요해?
How much do you need from me?
결국 얼마 냈어?
How much did you end up paying?
이거 총 얼마 나와요?
How much is that going to be?
얼마 가져가면 돼?
How much should I bring?
금액은 어느 정도 생각해?
How much are you thinking?
그럼 얼마예요?
How much would that be?
우리가 얼마 부족해?
How much are we short?
너 얼마나 할 수 있어?
How much can you do?
얼마까지 낼 생각이야?
How much are you willing to pay?
시간 얼마나 필요해?
How much time do you need?
끝나려면 얼마나 더 걸려?
How much longer until it's done?
전부 합하면 얼마예요?
How much does it all come to?
구독과 좋아요는 큰 힘이 됩니다. 감사합니다.